6 steps to 6 figures review. We're going to talk about step number 6 in this review, this discover review of how you can do this right now. And if you haven't already, click on the link below where you can sign up and be a part of this movement in 2021 profitable business following steps. I can't guarantee you success, but I can guarantee you you'll have a business at least. My name is Shelton, and welcome to this video today. And today we're going to talk about the 6 steps. Step number 6. I did some videos before of step 1 to step 5. So yesterday I did a video on step 5. So go back and watch that if you haven't already. And if you haven't watched any of these steps reviews, go back and watch those videos as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now, when you come to this page, when you click on the link below, or if you're already part of Heal, come to this page, watch this video here of Stephen Munson, the CEO of Heal, discussing what Heal's all about, give you a reminder exactly what's all going on behind the scenes. And then also, I'm going to talk about step 6, but I want you to go through all these steps multiple times to make sure you got this information. Now, step 6 is really simple as well, and it's all about follow up. The fortune's in the follow up, but it's also how you follow up. How you follow up with your prospects. Now, in this training video here that says watch the step number 6 tutorial, it's important for you to follow the steps. When I click on here, when you click on here, you're going to get a training tutorial to show you how to follow up and give you some inspiration and give you some little bit of pointers of how to do it in a really simple and easy way. If you're a beginner to all this, this is perfect for you. If you're an expert in this business, in this space, this is still good for you because you can actually take this information and level up even higher if you follow it and you believe in the process. So this video training here is about 21 minutes and it's impact with information to help you follow up. They say fortune's in the follow-up, but it's really how you're following up. It's how you moving your leads, moving your prospects to certain groupings. It's also about how you're following up. How many times are you following up? What type of content that you're following up with? So follow this video here. You can get some inspiration and some guidance already. So let me go ahead and click on here. So it says here, fortune's in the follow-up. Follow up on all Facebook posts and messages. Follow up on any email questions. So follow up back with email questions that your prospects may have. And do videos. Do like an intro video about something. Sometimes it may be better to do a video message and send it to your prospect. Maybe they want to hear your voice or see your face. Now, if you don't want to see your face, maybe do like a voice. Do a voice message. Do something a little bit different as well to kind of change it up a little bit. That's just a little bit of a bonus I'm going to give to you right now. And it says write daily emails to your list. So write daily emails and then use an autoresponder. The autoresponder of choice of Heal is Aweber, and we have good training in that in the back office. In fact, when you go to the training aspect of step number 2, you're going to learn how to do that already. So if you need to watch step number 2, go back and watch the review video that I did over step number 2 of the 6 steps to 6-figure process. Really easy and really a lot of fun. So, and then when you're writing your daily emails, you want to make sure you're talking to that one person. It's kind of like your customer avatar, which is speaking to that customer pain points, speaking to them. Watch this video again here. Daniel Kump does a great job in terms of organizing the emails and what to say. Give you what to say videos. And in Heal, we actually give you some follow-up emails when you first begin. When you first begin Heal, we already give you some follow-up emails. Let me show you where that's at. In fact, it's in step number 2 in this process. So right here, when you see access videos, when you click on access videos, you see here the advanced tip. We have prepared a series of follow-up emails that you can import into your list. Before using these, you must edit each email. So you must edit the email. So that means, your name, your picture, things like that, your link, your actually website. We teach you how to do that, all this in these videos right here. Lamar Scholes does a great job of teaching you how to do it. And then change the name and the link to your own. To import the follow-up emails or follow-up messages into your Aweber list, use the import code right here. So this is the import code for those follow-up emails if you haven't done this before. This is good if you've never done it, or you have. You can actually kind of, repurpose some of those follow-up messages of your choice. And if you're like, I don't know how to do this, watch these videos, step-by-step video. Lamar Show was on the money when he went over this. I'm telling you. So that's part of the email follow-up. But also Facebook follow-up is very, very important as well. Let me go to Facebook for a minute. So if I go to Facebook and to my page here, I put a post here the other day about, I found this parking lot. I found this at the parking lot. What would you do with 100 right now? Now I'm going to follow up with Polly right now. She said she's going to buy more gold and silver. So I'm going to follow up with her right now together. I'm going to say, that is great. That is great. That is great that you are into investing. How long have you invested? How long have you been involved in investing? So look at that. This was a simple post that I did, and it says, found this $100 in the parking lot. I responded back to a post that I did, and to someone that I do know, I just wanted basically keep the conversation going. I said, that is great that you're into investing. How long have you been involved in investing? So she's gonna read this and reply back, and that helps the algorithm of Facebook, and it pushes the post out there to more people to see it, more eyeballs to see it, because it's actually getting traction. And this goes in step number 6. It says all follow up with all Facebook posts and messages. So I just follow up with a actually post, and then let's see if she responds back to it of saying something else. So that's how you can keep it going. It could be about anything that's with value that can help someone think and respond. Because what you want people to do, you want people to respond. You want to get them to really think about, okay, I want to be able to respond back to this post is because this is something I'm into, right? Or this is something I want to happen. And that's how you can start building relationship with people on social media. So that's an example. So follow up in email question. That means any email question that you're getting from your actually autoresponder email inbox, respond back to them. And of course, write your daily emails. You actually can write daily emails. You can choose one day of the week or maybe 2 days and just write emails daily. You can keep them all in the folder. And Daniel Kump actually talks about this in the tutorial video. You can choose like a Wednesday or Thursday, write all your emails for the week and then schedule them out to your actually leads, to your list. And then you don't have to worry about that. And then just worry about just following up with the responses from that actually email, from that actually, daily message that you're sending out to your list. So just follow these steps, guys. Don't forget, step number 6 is important of this whole foundational piece. 6 steps to 6 figures. Let's get 6 figures. Let's get that in 2021. I do believe a lot of people is going to be making 6 figures this year. Results are not typical, but I do believe people are going to have success this year. So if you have not yet already, click on the link below to get started and start implementing these steps right now. Not yesterday, right now. There's a link in the description box. I want you to go ahead and click on that and get started. When you go ahead and sign up, you're going to get a notification email to your inbox. Click on that, check your spam messages just to make sure if it goes there. Then go click on that login information, log into Heal, come right to this page. You'll come right to this page, go under education, and then the 6 steps to 6 figures. Follow these steps here. Then after that, go to the VIP experience. That should be next what you should be doing. Just like it says here, no more excuses. Let's make 2021 the year you launch your business, your profitable business, your own business to a whole new level. You got this. You got everything's in front of you right now. You just need to take action and get started. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching all of these review videos that I've done, step 1 to step 6, to help you have success in 2021. Of course, we need more six-figure earners. I believe we'll have a lot more of those. Even if you are a six-figure earner right now, this can help you to the next level. Or if you're just trying to get results, this can help you get something. Results are not typical, but if you follow these steps, I do believe things can happen in your business. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to watch all these videos again if you're having any issues or problems. It's good to watch all these review videos right here, right now. And more importantly, click on the link below in the description box, get signed up, and I'll see you on the inside.